In the heart of the tropical rainforests, amidst the symphony of nature's orchestra, lies a treasure hidden in plain sight, the jackfruit. Meet the jackfruit, a marvel of biodiversity and the largest tree-borne fruit on our planet. With its rough, spiky exterior and sweet, aromatic flesh, the jackfruit is more than just a fruit. It's a symbol of abundance and resilience. Native to South and Southeast Asia, the jackfruit has been a staple in the diets and cultures of these regions for centuries. From Sri Lanka to Bangladesh, Thailand to the Philippines, it has woven itself into the fabric of everyday life. But what makes the jackfruit truly remarkable is its versatility. From its unripe green stage, where it can be cooked into savory dishes resembling meat, to its ripe golden stage, where it's enjoyed fresh or in desserts, the jackfruit offers a culinary experience like no other. Unlike many other crops, jackfruit trees are resilient and low maintenance, requiring minimal water and resources to thrive. They can withstand harsh climates and poor soil conditions, making them a lifeline for farmers in rural communities. The jackfruit has been a blessing for my family for generations. Not only does it provide us with a steady source of income, but it also helps us adapt to changing environmental conditions. Scientists and researchers are now unlocking the full potential of the jackfruit, exploring its nutritional benefits and medicinal properties. From its high vitamin and mineral content to its antioxidant-rich seeds, every part of the jackfruit offers something valuable. We believe that the jackfruit has the power to revolutionize global nutrition. By harnessing its abundance and nutritional richness, we can address hunger and malnutrition in communities around the world. So the next time you see a jackfruit, remember the story it carries, a story of resilience, abundance, and the boundless potential of nature's gifts.